So what does success look like? When we're talking about fighting wildland fires, success means prevention, and prevention looks a lot like this. Up here on Rodney Ridge, just outside of Helena, this area was treated by our wildland firefighters about a year ago, and the meadow combined with a more fuel-free forest that surrounds it acts as kind of a catcher's mitt. So if a fire does roll through, and it's only a matter of time before that happens, the fire will be low intensity in this area and act as a buffer for our firefighters.
As we hiked up here today, and as I've been driving around, and you see the grass is waist high and it's green, and we know it's going to be curing out and become an issue. You know, we work really well with our partners and having those meetings and those, you know, pre-planning. One of the things we've done recently is with all the counties and fire departments and DNRC is make kind of pre-planning of the areas that would have a fuel break like this in it and incorporate it. So if we do get a fire start, that gives us an option to, like, you know, we have a fire that we don't want. Where's the safest and safest spot, and gives us the highest chance of success.
And in other spots across the state that don't look exactly like this, other actions and plans are being put in place to find success.
We've been so lucky here to be able to invest so much with our partners in this particular landscape around Helena, but we have not had quite the opportunity to do that across the forest like we'd like. So some areas like up around Lincoln, we haven't been able to invest in so much of the vegetation treatment, and so one of the things we're doing there is fuel breaks, strategically placed, to give us more options when fires do come through there, so we can keep the fire out of the town of Lincoln and away from people's homes and other things that people value.
For more information about our wildland fighting prevention efforts all across the area, check out this story on our website. Reporting from just outside of Helena, Andy Curtis, MTN News.